This video is not for persons under the age of 13. By watching this video, you are declaring that you are above 13 years of age. Hello and welcome to this watercolour demo. This particular demo is for Dena Tollefson's regular challenge that she sets us, that we're very grateful to her for. This one's for the growing garden challenge, and as you can see with the reference, we've got a small rose just coming out of bud, and it's a bit muted, but I like that splash of colour in the centre, so we're going to try and attempt to get that kind of atmosphere in this painting. The paper it's on is Archer's £300, cold press, not, I think it is. I'm going to use me just off to the side me white nights to see if I can do some nice colours. So this is a demo. It's not a step-by-step tutorial. I just wanted to show you how I did it in a time-lapse image. Right, so pulling up a high resolution image of the finished painting. This is really a good test run of. I wanted to really look at the atmospherics of this painting rather than doing the absolute exact detail of it, and try to keep it as loose as I possibly can and as limited a palette as I possibly can also. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please watch the other videos in the challenge that we have, the Growing Garden challenge by Dena Tollefson. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you again in another video soon. Bye for now.